Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to temporarily disable Windows key present on Windows computer keyboard. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you whenever I press a Windows key on my Windows computer keyboard, it will start opening the Windows Start menu, right? So in order to temporarily disable this Windows key present on Windows computer keyboard, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as WinKill by Casey Landgen, and on the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just click on this version 0.1. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see the first file is the application, so just double click on it. Now just click on this text tray menu icon, and now you can see here WinKill icon is showing up with a cross mark. Now if I try to press the Windows key on my Windows keyboard, so you can see it's not opening. So now my Windows key is temporarily disabled. As you can see here, the Windows Start menu is not showing up. So in order to enable it again, just click on this text tray menu icon and just click on this WinKill icon. Now once you see the cross mark has been removed, now if I try to press the Windows key again on my Windows computer keyboard, now the Windows Start menu is showing up again. So by using this cool application named as WinKill, you can temporarily disable Windows key present on Windows computer keyboard very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.